In order to set up SmartThings on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, first of all, we can go to the SmartThings app that we can find, for example, in the Samsung folder, at least by default, in the app drawer. Once we go over here, for the first time, we will need to grant some permissions, so just follow the instructions that you will see on the screen, just press continue, and then once again, over here we have the introduction, so if you want to, you can just keep going in order to find out what it does. You can also skip. And you can grant the location permission for the app. So I'm going to choose precise location while using the app. And then let's allow this thing and notifications as well. And that's pretty much it now in terms of the configuration of the app itself. But if you want to add a device, what you can do is you can simply press this plus button over here in the top right corner. And then we have add device. You can also add a service. And you can create routines and so on and so forth. You can switch the devices over here in order to also find, for example, different rooms. So you can separate all your devices into different rooms. And you can customize these rooms as well. So if you tap on these three dots in the top right corner, we can manage rooms and devices. And if you try to add a device, then of course you should be able to, for example, scan QR code. So if the device has QR code, then you can just quickly scan it. You can scan nearby. If they can be detected, then you should be able to add it over here. And you can manually start adding a device by just choosing either a Samsung device or partner devices, which are listed over here. So if you decide to do so, then just follow the rest of the instructions and you should be able to add your device into the SmartThings app. Remember that you can also, for example, create routines over here. You can go to the menu in order to find even the voice assistant over here or companion apps in some cases. You can also find notifications or maybe even how to use in case you need some additional help. So be sure to check all of these options out. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.